Hi, I'm Eloy. I'm a physical therapy student, and I'm going to show you around Creighton's Health Sciences campus in Phoenix. The patio is a great place to spend time with classmates or get some studying done. Whether I want to soak up some sunshine or focus in on a private study space, there's always somewhere to spend time on coursework. The Gait Emotion Analysis Lab is where we learn how muscles, bones, tendons, and ligaments work together to produce movement. The lab is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including an instrumented treadmill and a motion capture system. The fitness center is used for physical therapy research projects. It's also a convenient place to exercise in between classes, labs, or clinical rotations. We often have our lectures in classrooms that support interactive learning and small group work. We use our rehab lab to apply what we are learning through a variety of training exercises and immersive learning experiences. We often use rehab spaces for service opportunities through which we help patients with their mobility. In the Norton Foundation Success Center, resources like learning specialists, academic success coordinators, and counselors are helpful in juggling intensive coursework. Our campus is in the heart of Midtown Phoenix, so there's plenty of opportunity to explore the city and enjoy the Arizona landscape. It's also an easy distance from campus to clinical rotations throughout the valley. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Phoenix campus.